It's our third time in Dali, but our first time visiting Xizhou. We came for its fame and already want to come back. Xizhou, one of Dali's most popular ancient towns, is lively yet retains its rustic charm. Walking into town, we saw a local family building a house. It was amazing to see it built entirely with wood in this day and age. Following the red Xizhou wall, we found the Jama Cultural Wall, great for photos. Jiangzhiji Jama Shop, a really unique and upscale cultural and creative shop with local characteristics. This little painting, once a ritual tool for blessings, is now a popular Dali souvenir. This cute tile cut isn't just a decoration but also a guardian symbol of Dali. 10 a.m. The town's businesses are already bustling. We split up into two teams. Lele and Apple went cycling, while Stephanie, Eleanor, and Cai Cai tried tie-dyeing. Following Lele to Pedal Pedal's bicycle shop, they offer professional road bikes, kids bikes, and child seats for rent. We rented 2 road bikes and set off. Soon we were cycling on the Arha ecological corridor. Cute animal electric bikes, flower basket bikes, little cats, colorful balloons. From a drone, the Arha ecological corridor looks like a white ribbon around the lake, connecting sky, clouds, fields, villages, Changshan, and Arha Lake. Stopped by Arha Lake for a break. Lele started skipping stones. Continuing, we saw a tour guide leading tourists in a local dance. Navigating the route, now heading to Xizhou Market. Several horse carriages came towards us like a rural afternoon in a movie. Unidentified calls came from the trees, clear and mysterious. A speeding delivery rider flashed by. After this field, turned a corner and we arrived at the town. Reached the market entrance, so many people, so lively. Dazzling array of fruits and vegetable pickles. We bought a potato pancake handmade by an older grandma, sprinkled with chili powder. It was spicy, crispy, and so delicious. Exiting the market, we returned to Xizhou town. By now, there were many tourists, so we had to ring our bike bells. Passed by the popular photo spot, the corner house. Another photo spot, Xizhou Field Police Station. Saw the fields again and encountered a small train. What a surprise! Cycling finished, it took 1 hour. This ride offered both cinematic scenery and the most down-to-earth daily life of Dali. If you come to Xizhou and want a different tourist experience, then come for a happy ride. Stephanie, Eleanor, and Cai Cai arrived at the Dali Blue Tie-Dye Workshop, a famous local chain brand, for their indigo-dyed masterpiece. With 4 branches in Dali, the Zhoucheng store is the most famous one, with many celebrities visiting. We opted for the Xizhou countryside store, right next to the rice fields in Xizhou ancient town, offering a panoramic and pleasant view. Tie-dye is one of China's intangible cultural heritage, dating back to the Tang and Song dynasties, with Dali by ethnic tie-dye being the most famous one. The classic indigo blue is the most iconic color, with the dye smelling from natural plant indigo. Its basic principle: tie, sew, bundle, and bind fabric to prevent dye absorption, creating unique patterns upon on time. The workshop clearly lists 11 tie-dye steps in both Chinese and English, very foreigner-friendly. Next, we went upstairs for the crafting.
扎住的地方它是白色，没有扎住它是蓝色。
Due to limited time, we chose simple design, 2 styles of bags and 1 high-end moon square scarf. After choosing patterns, it was time to start. For the bags, we tied the fabric into different shapes. For the scarf, we sewed the moon outline and then tied the wave shapes. Once tied, the master took them for deciding. Next, we dyed in the indigo vat. It was green when taken out, then turned blue as it oxidized. Pound it for a while to remove excess color. After the dye set, we can untie it and give it to the master for rinsing. Sew buttons on 2 bags. Alright, now they can go for drying. Let's check out our finished products. We're so proud. This tie-dye experience was a success. Our only regret is that time was too tight, so we couldn't try more complex patterns. We'll save that for next time. This trip to Xizhou, we cycled happily through the fields, dyeing our exclusive glue at the workshop, and brought home tile cats and woodblock prints. Here you'll find simple and nice by people, a leisurely pace, and scenery that makes you constantly press the shutter. Every moment in Xizhou makes you want to come back again.